Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. This video is about cooking a light and tasty breakfast. If you are alone and do not want to make complete meal for yourself, or if there is a guest at home, or if you are the one who needs a quick breakfast, this dish is one of the best to make. Please make sure to keep the ingredients ready before you start cooking. We are making poha for 2 person. Therefore ingredients are used accordingly. Do increase the quantity of ingredients as and when person increase. Here's everything we'll need to make this quick and tasty poha dish. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon sugar, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, curry leaves, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, 1 large finely chopped onion, freshly chopped coriander for garnish, ½ fresh lemon, 2 tablespoons oil, 2 cups thick variety poha. There are optional ingredients that can be added for enhanced flavor. Roasted peanuts, boiled potato cubes and green peas can be added while cooking. Save in freshly grated coconut as a top-up which can be added before serving. In this video we have added sweet corn as an optional ingredient. Let's see the process of making poha. First, place the poha in a fine mesh strainer and rinse gently under running water for 30 to 60 seconds. Let the wet poha drain water completely. It should be soft and moist, not mushy. Now, on the gas stove, with medium flame, add 2 teaspoons of oil. In the heated oil, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add peanuts and fry until they are golden and crunchy. Now, add the chopped onions and cook on medium-low heat until they turn translucent and soft. Add chopped green chilies and stir well and then add curry leaves. If you are adding potato cubes or green peas, add them now and cover the karai and cook until tender. For this video, sweet corn has been added as an add-on. Now, add 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon sugar and the turmeric powder to the onion mixture and stir for 30 seconds. Add the drained poha and mix everything together gently so the poha gets a bright yellow color without breaking the flakes. Cover the pan with a lid, turn the heat to the lowest setting, and let it steam for 2 to 3 minutes so it becomes hot and fluffy. Turn off the stove, squeeze the fresh lemon juice over the poha, and toss in chopped coriander. Serve hot with a side of crunchy save. The aroma and vibrant yellow color poha is too good when you have it hot. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on notification bell for more traditional Indian dishes. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of Indian kitchens. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for such videos, share it with your friends and family, eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.